part of the class tonight. So for those who miss it, they'll have access to it because certainly we're not going to be going over this. All right, let's go. So tonight we'll be moving on to using the distributive law, and if there's time, we are going to move on to binary operation. Now, I sent a reminder in all What's group last night as relates to assignments, and folks, I give new students their deadline. So if you don't pay attention to the, what you call it again? If you don't pay attention to the notice in the WhatsApp groups, then don't be surprised if when you'll try to log on, sir, don't admit you. Don't call me and say, sir, now try to log on and admit me, because I would not pay any attention to that. Okay, so please bear that in mind. All right, now distributive law, it says remove the brackets using the distributive law in each of the following. So I'm just going to ask you to try to do number 1A. Sorry, A, part A. And if you understand it, then we'll move on to the next one. All right. All right. Okay. So we're at A. Can anybody tell me what you think about what's the answer for A? Anybody knows it by chance?
5xy.
5xy. No, that's wrong. Good try. Anybody else? Anybody else want to try? Remember, you can use the raise hand feature. Remember, you are muted, so you have to unmute yourself. Chevelle?
5x plus 5y.
That's correct. All right. Okay, let's show them how you get that now. Let's go. Everybody, please pay attention to find out how Chevelle got that. Now, please note, it's called the distributive law. So what you're basically doing is, like, for instance, you have in a factory. You have a can right there, so you have a can. So you're distributing corned beef in this can, and you're distributing the same corned beef into another can. So both cans have in the same corned beef. That's why it's called distributive law. So imagine the 5 to be the corned beef, X being a can, Y being a can. Everybody following that? Paul, you following that?
Yes, sir.
Daniel, you following that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, that's distributive law. So distributive law works. So therefore, we are simply saying, when a number is outside of a bracket, or whatever is outside of a bracket, you know it means to multiply. Always remember that. So we are saying 5 times the letter X, and the same 5 must be used to multiply letter Y. So therefore, your answer will result in 5x plus 5y.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, sir.
Okay, good. Okay.
So, sir.
Yes, sir.
Question. So, in that case, then, B would be minus 7A plus 7B.
Oh, well, nice attempt, but I'm glad you asked. Please note that when we're working with integers, please make note of it over here. a negative integer times, well, multiply, I should use the word, multiply by a negative integer equals a positive integer. So that means negative 5 times negative 3 is equal to positive 15. Now, a negative integer multiply by a positive integer equals a negative integer, and that is negative 5 times positive 3 will give us negative 15. So based on that notes now, can you correct your answer, Mr. Robinson?
Okay, so it is negative times positive. Being a negative 15. But sir, but that's what
What did you say your answer was?
I said negative 7a plus 7b.
That's it, and that's wrong.
Oh, so it's 7a plus 7b.
You know, read the notes.
I mean, it's a negative integer multiplied by a positive integer equal to a negative integer.
Good. So negative 7 times a is what?
Oh, so 7a.
Negative 7a.
Negative 7a.
Yes, and negative 7 times positive b give you what?
Or negative 7b.
Exactly.
Okay.
All right.
Oh,
Understand that now?
I just understand now, sir.
Oh, good. All right. Daniel, you're on your time.
Sir,
Yes, go ahead.
is it 15x minus 6y?
That's correct. 15x. Oh, where am I typing? 15x minus 6y. Okay, that's correct. All right, so Paul, since you made a mistake on the first one, I'm going to give you a chance to correct yourself on this one.
Okay, so so it would be 24a. Huh?
Paul, for the notes.
Yeah, I'm following the note. So it's a 2 negative equal to a positive.
So, hold on there. We are distribute. Work it out on paper first.
8 times 3, sir.
Negative 8 times 3.
Negative 8 times 3.
So what is now? Is it a positive 3 or a negative 3 you're multiplying it by?
Repeat that, sir.
Is it a positive 3 or a negative 3?
A positive 3.
Okay, so it's supposed to be what then?
Negative 24A.
You never saw that. So pay attention to it, right?
Yeah.
Continue now. Ask yourself the questions that me asked you a while ago.
All right. So we multiply now by a negative 2.
Okay.
So it will be positive 16B.
Very good. Because a negative times a negative give you?
Positive.
Good. All right, that's correct. As I normally would do, each of you are going to make up a question for yourselves, but you're going to ask somebody in the class to answer the question. So each of you make up a question, and you ask the person, you call on a person's name, and you ask them to tell them what answer they should have.
I don't really want no friends. I don't really want no friends. No. Child, 16 minutes. I should call you happy birthday.
Is it? Come on. Where is it? Yeah. All right, anybody have no answer to give me now?
Okay.
Daniel, you have a question to give somebody? What's the question you have?
Sir, 12 bracket
Wait.
6x.
Oh, let's write it somewhere here. $12 bracket 6x.
6x. 6x
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
minus
Uh-huh.
10y.
10y. Close bracket?
Yeah.
Okay. Whose name are you going to call on?
Paulo.
Who?
Paulo.
Paul? Not Paulo. It's Paul. Paulo. Yes, Paulo. Paulo. Oh, Paulo.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
are you ready for me?
Yeah, I mean, Daniel.
It's 72x
Uh-huh.
plus 120y.
Is he correct, Daniel?
Sir?
Is he
Minus,
correct?
sorry, minus 120y.
Okay,
Yes,
okay,
sir, I'm correct.
okay. 72. Him the correct the first time?
No, I'm never
No,
correct.
Okay, okay. All right, that's correct. Paul, your turn now. Call, give a question and call on somebody.
7,
Mm-hmm.
open bracket,
Mm-hmm.
4y
Mm-hmm.
minus 3a,
Mm-hmm.
close bracket.
Mm-hmm.
Session is on.
No, Sachin is not on as yet. It does
Daniel,
not. It does Daniel and Chevel and you.
oh, well, Chevel.
Okay. You can see who's doing if you just click on participants.
I don't know, sir, but my mouse pad not working, so I'm just have with us.
And your phone you use.
No, the laptop. I got somebody to wipe it and update it, but I don't know what happened to the mouse pad.
Then wipe the driver for the mouse pad. So I'm gonna have to start it out.
Yeah, I have to take it back to him tomorrow.
Mm-hmm. All right, Chevel, man, call the name. What's the answer? I'm Chevel got motor business, sir. Chevel is there. Chevel? Chevel?
It's me, Mark.
Yeah, go ahead. What's the answer?
28y minus 21a.
Is she correct, sir?
Yes, sir.
28y minus 20. Minus what?
21.
Okay. All right. Okay. All right, Chevel, your turn.
Um, negative 5
Mm-hmm.
bracket 25x
Mm-hmm.
plus 5b close bracket.
Okay. Call a name.
Daniel.
Daniel, that's yours. Daniel, that's yours. Do, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Do, re, mi. Daniel, that's yours, no?
Sir, I'm coming.
Okay, okay. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do.
You play music, sir? Play instrument?
No, no, just sing.
Oh.
Sir,
Not, not,
I'm
not,
ready.
not professional. Yeah, right, Daniel. Daniel don't want me to sing. Oh God, go ahead, Daniel.
All right, sir, I'm gonna get negative 125x
Uh-huh. Negative
minus
125. Hold on, hold on. Hold on, I put in the answer. Negative 1
125.
x. Uh-huh.
Yeah. Minus
Uh-huh.
25b.
Is she correct?
Yes, she's correct.
Okay, good. So you all understand what to do now. Wonderful. Bravo, bravo, bravo. So let's go now down to the second part. Write them down and try them for yourself and see what you will come up with. Uh, need to get rid of this. Okay. Wonderful exercise, isn't it?
And they said that when I go start in here.
Come again?
I didn't hear what you said a while ago.
Oh, do this part now. Do this part now. The one below right here. Can everybody see it?
Okay.
Try it for you guys. Try it for yourselves and see what you get.
3x. Simplify.
Sir,
Yes?
at the bottom one, the move for you?
Yeah, the bottom one I'm here from
You
8.
never know.
So hold on there. You want me for it?
No, sir, I think you said that right. So, you never know.
Oh,
All right.
okay.
Plus 3y. Sir,
Yeah, go ahead.
um, I just want to understand something. I'm gonna make an attempt on C.
Lovely.
So it's 7x
7x. What you gonna do?
C. I just make an attempt on C. Letter C.
All right, go ahead.
7x plus 7y minus 4x plus 4y.
Very good. But you're not finished yet. Continue from there.
All right, that's 7x. Where was I again now?
I don't know. You told me.
Oh, so it's simple. Let's simplify it now, right?
Ah,
After we do the distributing ladder, let's simplify it.
very good.
I come in here, get that part.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes, Daniel.
finish number 1.
Okay, go ahead and give me the answer for number 1.
All right, sir. It's 3x plus y
3x plus y, yeah,
plus 5x
plus 5x, yeah,
plus 5y
plus 5y, yeah. And what else?
equal
Uh-huh.
8x plus 6y.
Very good. 8x
Your birthday?
plus 6y.
Yes,
Job
sir.
well done.
We are giving that some move. Mother says to give back your mother. Mama, mother says to.
Well done, my young ladies. That's good.
That's great. What?
That's great. So, Paul seems to be taking number 3. What about Chevelle number 2?
Oh.
Keep up that from my face.
Wait, what's the say ready for number 2?
Yes, ma'am. For B, yeah.
Sir,
Yes, Paul.
the final answer for C would it be 11x minus
What?
3y?
Nope.
There's something wrong.
Nope.
You hear me, sir?
You make a mistake.
Yeah, I hear you. It's not. I said the answer is that wrong because they have 7x minus 4x. Where you get 11x right there?
7x
I know.
minus. Oh, I mixed up the minus sign, so I thought it was at the y. So it would be 3x
3x. Your final answer give me. Okay, 3x. Yeah,
plus 11y.
plus 11y. You sure? Yes, 7y plus. Yes, that's correct now.
Yes, that's correct.
Good.
For B now, sir, the
Yes.
silent answer would have been 24x minus
24x.
17y.
24x minus
17y.
17y. Okay. So you guys then therefore understand this, right? Wonderful. Who wants to do D? Who wants to do D?
A D.
Yes. And Daniel, I'll choose
Alright.
to do E. I'll show E at you, Daniel, to see what you made up of.
Teresa.
I'm going to let you do E. Guys, if you log out, remember you must re-log in back, all right?
I say why you want me to add one.
Because more has to make out of,
Make out of dirt.
because of dirt, all right?
Yes.
You say it's good dirt.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yeah, my dear man, go ahead.
for A,
Mm.
for A, it should be 3y, not y, right? 3x plus 3y. You have 3x plus y there, so.
3x plus y. Oh, 3y. Then Daniel,